when you're an early adapter, market, you're like, let me try this. And you're like, oh man, that was not good. I didn't do it right. But now I know, and you can teach other people. And initially for me, it was like, I went too automated. So it was like, boom, 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 boom. People were getting all these messages. And then I actually sent out like an apology video. I was like, through the messenger bot, I was like, listen guys, I'm sorry. This isn't me. I feel like this is too robotic. And you're going to get less communication from me, but only what you want. So please, and I sent like a little bit of like a survey, because I say, okay, if you want to hear about my Millennial Who Talks show that I have, click here. Boom. Now they're tagged for that. If you want to know about our Ed Talks, they're tagged for that. If you want to know when we upload a YouTube video, tagged for that. So now they're only getting exactly what they want. And I think that's the key. That's the future. It's not these landing pages, not these sales funnels. It's still so salesy, if that's a word, or spammy. Like, it's about relationships. And the more that you can give people exactly what they want, like, that's the key. I don't have to, hey, what's your email? Because I have their messenger. Everybody's on Facebook. So, right, I have a 96% open rate on those messenger bots, as opposed to my 23% open rate via email. So why would I even send people an email?